What's up guys, my name is Neff and this is going to be a really quick video on how to create a YouTube channel. Now just a few things I'd like to mention. I'm going incognito on this browser because if I don't, I'll be signed in to my own YouTube account. So you don't need to see this. This is what we're going to focus on. Next is I'm using a made up name and email so I can show it to you. Of course, I'm gonna blur things out when I edit this. So yeah, for now, going back. So for you to create a YouTube channel, number one, you have to sign in first. You have to sign into either the YouTube app on your phone, on a web browser on your computer, or on the browser on your phone. Regardless if you're using Apple, like an iPhone or an Android phone, you'll have to sign in first. Now, number one tip I have to give you is you have to create another email. Do not use the main email or the most important email you have, because ever since I started doing YouTube, I've been getting spam emails or phishing emails from different websites, and they're kind of dumb. So please create a separate email account. All right, now once you've signed in and you're ready, all you have to do is click this name right here usually, and it will always be on the top right hand side of your browser, and it will always have your name, or at least the first letter of your first name or the first letter of your first name and your last name. Now, if you don't have a picture, that's what it's gonna look like. Because to me, I have a picture. You can see it right here. That's it right there. So going back to this, you click this top right. Then you will see here, create a channel, right there. You also have paid memberships, YouTube Studio, switch account if you have more than one account. You can also go dark theme if you want. I'd actually prefer the dark theme, but I switched to do just the regular one so you can see the difference between the two. So yeah, you also have your data. I've never really tinkered with these, but this is all you need to know right now. So when you click create a channel, yeah, there your creator journey begins. Then you can just click get started, like what you need to know or whatever. So you do this, and this part you can either just use the name that you have, or you can create your own name. So from here, let's use a custom name. YouTube channel. Of course, you have to check this, and you can click create. Now this part I'm gonna stop the recording because of course it's gonna require me to enter my mobile number. So I'm gonna do this, then we'll continue with the next area. I think I can't remember how many emails you can have on one mobile number. I think you can have more than one. I tried it before, but it was to create a Steam account, but I lost the password and the mobile number, and it was an old SIM card that I had 5 years ago. Before, you can just create an email without a mobile number, but of course it's better if you have one, and you have to enable the, did I say this, the authentication factor. I forgot the exact name, but when someone tries to sign into your Google account, it will send a text message. So you don't want people to just hacking your channel, right? Two-factor authentication, that's the name. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna stop the recording, then start it again so we can move on to the next stage. Thank you. Okay, so we're done with entering my mobile number. And once you enter your mobile number, you can either pick an option to text a code or call. I don't really do the call, just text message. Then you enter the code, and this is where we're at. So you see here, it's the letter T because the channel name I picked is testing YouTube or YT channel. Then we're just gonna, you do have an option, upload a picture. You can click this, then you'll be given an option or to browse your computer to upload a picture. Do this, You see here, this is my folder for the thumbnails for YouTube. Cancel. This is the description of your channel. You can add links if you want to. You have options for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I have a Twitter account, but I don't really tweet anything. I mostly just follow people or whatever. Instagram, I have it there, but you have an option to set this up later. So I'm just gonna do your test thing only, not all caps, only there, and you can just save and continue. You see here, there's this bar loading at the top, and this is what it's gonna look like. So from here, I'm gonna move on to the next part of creating your YouTube channel. We'll be adding something here like a YouTube banner. You know, when you go to someone's channel, you see something like an art or something at the top, and how to edit this area. I might need to switch to my own channel to demo that part. And one thing you'll also notice here is once you create the channel, you can go to top right. It doesn't show your email address anymore. Because your channel, manage your Google account, your channel, paid membership, studio, switch account, dark theme. If you want to see the dark theme, boom, that's what it looks like. This is what usually what my channel would look like. But of course, just to show you the default, that's where it is. Now there are a lot of things here. You also have an option to pick your location. I'm from the Philippines, so it's default set to Philippines. You can change this to US. I can see some Filipino YouTubers, their location is set for the United States. I don't really know how it will affect the channel or your audience. I'm not entirely sure, but that's it for now. So we'll go through each of these. This is a lot to take in to just do on one video. It's not gonna be enough, so we'll go one by one. I'll probably start by doing a banner, and that's gonna be both for YouTube, and you can also use it on Twitch. So if you like what you see, again, just a quick tutorial, you can like the video, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna upload this playlist like at least every other day, and 3 videos, yeah, 3 videos a day. So again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.